is Maisie and I'm 17 and I do a course doing T-level midwifery. I think the T-level was more practical and you get to do a placement, and I've had more opportunities doing the T-level midwifery course than I would have had if I did A-levels. I did 2 work placements on the midwifery course. I did one which was about hypnobirthing, so supporting mums antenatally, doing like antenatal courses, and then I did more postnatal things like baby massage. And then my other placement was at a family centre where I supported people who are more vulnerable, so they might have gone through domestic abuse or violence, or they might have been a teenage mum. I'd recommend a T-level because it's more practical, you get more experience and you're taught by people in the industry.